Every phone touts their value, but the Pixel 8a shows us why it's the best cheap phone on the market with its intelligent AI features, charming design, and class-leading software support. With the Pixel 8a design, I am really impressed by how it looks and feels very much like Google's more expensive flagship phones. For a mid-ranger, it certainly has a charm that few phones can match. It's definitely better look than Samsung's comparable Galaxy A35 and makes the aging iPhone SE 2022 even more dated than it is already. There are a couple of design changes that make the Pixel 8a look better than the Pixel 7a. First of all, the corners have been rounded to make it more in line with the design of the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro's design language. Secondly, it also feels much better to hold because of the matte black and polished aluminum frame it's sporting this time. It doesn't feel slippery like the glossy finish of the Pixel 7a, while the matte finish makes it much more smudge resistant. I love how the Pixel 8a always looks clean each and every time I take it out of my pocket or after using it for a period of time. Beyond these two changes, pretty much everything else about the Pixel 8a is identical, including the horizontal bar on the back of the phone that contains its cameras, USB-C port, power and volume rockers. I was hoping for Google to trim the bezels around the display a bit more. There is still a wider bezel on the bottom edge of the display. Google's sustainable pledge continues with the Pixel 8's construction because it uses more recycled aluminum, glass and plastic while still offering an IP67 rating for water and dust resistance. This is all fantastic stuff, especially when the Pixel 8a feels incredibly well built. If my Pixel 8 Pro long-term review is any indication, I suspect the Pixel 7a to hold up just as well. There are plenty of flagship caliber phones in our best camera phones guide, but only one of them cost less than $500, the Pixel 7a. That phone earns the title of best camera phone value, so it's not all that out of the question for the Pixel 8a to continue the trend. On paper, the Pixel 8a is rocking a dual camera arrangement that consists of a 64 megapixel main camera paired with 13 megapixel ultra wide along with 13 megapixel selfie camera on the front. These rear cameras are no different from before, but technically the front camera has a wider 96.5 degree field of view to better fit more people into the frame for group shots. Now comes the important question, how much better is its camera performance? Now you can see some camera samples. These improvements come without upping the cost of the phone, which in this day and age is a great thing in my book. This means you are getting even more value out of the Pixel 8a, more so if you intend on holding it for the next 7 years. I am not one to shell out $1,000 plus for a phone, which is why this is the phone I would buy with my own money. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.